Hey babes, are you tangled up with a Scorpio woman who's got you feeling like you're in a Netflix thriller? Let's talk about 5 toxic traits of Scorpio women and when to channel your inner Usain Bolt and run. Be aware that this Scorpio energy can be applied to Scorpio suns, Scorpio moons, Scorpio Venus, and men with Scorpio on the DC. These placements often come through most when we are dealing with romantic or intimate relationships. Always consider the whole chart. But let's dive into this together. Trait number 1, the emotionally intense investigator. Scorpio women have this uncanny ability to know everything. They'll casually ask, "So, who's that person you liked in 2012?" while maintaining deep eye contact. It's giving FBI, and if you're not ready for that level of emotional surveillance, maybe it's time to ghost. Trait number 2, the queen of grudges. Once you cross a Scorpio woman, it's game over. She will remember and probably plot revenge. Forgive and forget? That's cute, but not in her vocabulary. If you're still apologizing for something you did during Mercury retrograde 2 years ago, it's time to let her sting someone else. Trait number 3, the possessive protector. Listen, Scorpio women are fiercely loyal, but sometimes that loyalty looks like possessiveness. Texting someone else? Oh no, bestie, that's betrayal. She'll act like your shadow, watching your every move and not in the sexy way. If her love feels more like a prison, it might be time to jailbreak. Trait number 4, the emotional roller coaster. Scorpio women are ruled by Pluto and Mars, so their moods? Intense. One minute she's showering you with love. The next, she's staring at you like you stole her lunch. If you feel like you need a therapist just to decode her vibes, don't ride this roller coaster too long. Trait number 5, the power player Scorpio women love control. Whether it's the playlist, the weekend plans, or your deepest secrets, she has to be in charge. And, good luck winning an argument. She's already 10 steps ahead. If her power moves make you feel small, don't play her game. Just bounce. So there you have it. 5 toxic traits of Scorpio women. Look, they're magnetic. They're mysterious, but sometimes they're just too much. Sound off in the comments. Have you survived a Scorpio woman? Or are you the Scorpio queen? Either way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss the next dose of cosmic gossip. Until next time, protect your peace, trust your gut, and remember, sometimes it's okay to say no thanks to the sting. Bye.